In Canada, we did not get the chance to go to this year. Yung Toronto, Calgary, basta yung iba pang mga lugar na hindi napuntahan ng Sariling Mundo concert tour. I think we're gonna go. We're gonna go and visit, and then meron na ding US tour. So, talaga naman iba ang pag-arangkada ng boy palagi. Kape pala tayo, guys. Mag-isa lang ako nagkakape ngayon. Kaya in-order ko na lang. Hindi ko na pinupuntahan yung coffee shop. Kasi umuwi na si DJ. Kamukha niyo po si Casey Tandingan. Excuse me, sino ba yun? Acha. Sana magpunta din po kayo dito sa Dubai. Well, sana. I-request niyo po na dalhin din yung Sariling Mundo dyan. Like, make some noise. Make it known. Para marinig ng mga producers. And then, if i-fly nila si TJ dyan sa Dubai, who knows, I might also come with. Pa-flex ng long hair. Okay. So, the reason why I had to change my hair color into black muna is because kailangan magpahinga ng buhok ko. I have really thin hair. Hindi ko alam kung kanino ko naman na yun. I have really thin hair. And then, since 2020, late 2022, I think, ata, the first time na nagka-COVID ako, I got so bored during quarantine na nagkulay ako ng buhok, yung blue. And then I fell in love with the thing. So, I kept that hair color until, like, this year. Kaya lang, that meant that because I was always on TV and doing shows, that meant na kailangan ko siyang i-retouch every 2 weeks or so. So, imagine yung kailangan i-bleach yung buhok every 2 weeks. That's, like, deadly. So, may mga buhok ako sa likod especially, lalo na pag ako lang gumagawa ng hair ko. Meron ako mga buhok na medyo nagpipigtas-pigtas na. So, collectively, we just decided na ipahinga na lang muna yung buhok ko and then just turn it to black. So, naka-black. Pero, parang I got so bored. Tsaka parang sobrang tagal ko kasi naka-blue hair. So, parang nung nakita kong black hair na ako, nagugulat ako sa sarili ko. Parang I felt like I didn't know myself. I felt so normal. Parang ganun. So, I asked my hairstylist at that time, sa Billboard Awards, I asked, si Jan Edrosalan. I asked if he could do like a messy mullet or something. And then he did. Kung nakita niyo yun. I loved it so much. So, I did that I did that during the time ng, between nung Billboard and then before we flew for TJ's tour. Kaya lang, just right before at I think nagkaroon lang ng mga visa problems and hindi makakasama yung hairstylist namin. So parang sabi ko, shucks. Mahirap gawin yung pagkabit-kabit pa ng hair extensions. Tapos, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako din yung hair and makeup ni TJ. So because we didn't have a hairstylist anymore, I was gonna do hair and makeup for TJ and hair and makeup for myself. And most of the time, we were only given like 2 hours to do that. Na malinis, 2 hours to do that. Ano mo gagawin? So, ayun. Nagpakabit ako ng temporary hair extensions. Ayun. Sa Jen hair extensions sa Timog. Si Miss Jen mismo nagkabit. But, I don't know. Kasi di ba yung mostly ang mga babae, parang they feel more confident when they have longer hair. But for some weird reason, I love it too. For some weird reason, I don't feel confident Wala na nga akong, shucks, pimple ka na. Wala na nga akong, hindi na nga masyado mataas yung confidence ko. Sa mahabang hair pa, mas lalong hindi ko masyadong na-feel na confident ako. Kanya, ganun. So, I've been trying to contemplate. Aside from the fact na hindi na ako sanay na may mahabang hair na apakainit, kailangan ko itali, pero kailangan ko itali palagi, ganyan. But, ayun. Hindi ako sure. Should I keep it? Should I keep the hair? Kasi mahirap siyang yun. Or siguro baka yung next kong ipapakabit, baka mas more on like medyo mas wavy, para hindi ko siya kailangang palaging ayusin. I don't know. But I miss my colored hair. I think I'm eventually gonna go back to that. Parang ganun. I miss my blue hair. Parang it has become part of me. Parang ganun. As in talaga yung first time nakita ko yung sarili ko after ako nag-black hair. Parang ako nagulat. Hindi ko nakilala yung sarili ko. Yeah, my blue hair became my trademark. That is true. That is true. It has, para kasi siyang para siyang, it has sort of become a visual representation of what I am as an artist. Kapag nakita mo ako, parang medyo may idea ka na okay, this person parang likes to experiment and play around. Parang gano'n. And that is who I am as an artist. Parang gano'n. Ay, salamat pala sa mga nagbigay ng mga gifts during the first 2 tours. Maraming salamat. Wala na po sila sa akin ngayon kasi meron kami mga kasama na umuwi na. And si TJ din, umuwi na. So, most of those stuff ay pinauwi ko na sa Pilipinas kasi sobrang limited lang din yung weight allowance namin. Kaya ganun. Bagong gising o wala pong tulog. It's for those who just joined in, and for those who just tuned in, I'm in San Francisco, but we're driving to Grayton Resort and Casino the day after tomorrow or tomorrow for the Vocal Champs Tour. So I'm in San Francisco, sa Amerika po ako. Kaya hindi po umaga dito. Kakagising ko lang talaga, pero hindi po umaga dito. It's mga 1 p.m. Pero dyan sa Pilipinas, pa lang? 5 a.m. Kamusta yung Aurora Borealis experience? So, that happened after kaming nag-show. Nasa iisang parang conference room kami nung time na yon. Tapos parang ganun kasi kaming lahat eh. Kung nabasa niyo yung post ko sa Cornerstone about how grateful I am to be part of Cornerstone because Cornerstone is not just a company but it's a family. Totoo siya talagang gano'n. Like, hindi yun charot-charot, hindi yun showbiz, hindi yun like for the camera or for the post or whatever. Ganon siya talaga. So, during that day, after the concert, nagkumpulan lang kami dun sa conference room. Maliit lang siya na conference room, tapos may table pa sa gitna. So, masikip siya. Pero nagbabanding lang kami, ganon. Tapos, si TJ kasi, before the All-Stars Tour, sa tour pa lang niya, we've always been hoping to catch the Aurora Borealis. So, kasi diba nag-Saskatoon kami, nag-Winnipeg kami. Doon talaga sa mga lugar na yun, yung pinaka mataas yung chance na like really doing anything, not even para sa wind. Para pang cover lang talaga siya. So, expectations din ako, parang at least the ride papunta masaya kasi naglolokohan kami, tatawanan kami. Tapos parang we stopped at we stopped around like a really empty area, as in sobrang empty na area, yung alam mo yung dun itatapon yung mga tatapon yung mga ano, charot nga. Tapos pagkalabas mo, like it wasn't like dark. Alam mo may something sa langit, but it wasn't really, it wasn't visible to the naked eye. Pero pag dinapat mo na yung camera mo, shucks! Ito na siya! So kasi sobrang wala akong jacket. Pero it was an experience. Like, ayun, nung nag-take kami ng photo, kung ano man yung nakita namin, like sobrang ano-ano lang in the photos, it was much more clearer. And yun nga, like the main reason why TJ and I were very happy that it happened is because magkasama kami. Parang gano'n. So that's the story. We took photos, all of us took photos and videos, and then we went home. Tapos after that, so nakabalik ata kami ng hotel mga alauna na ata ng umaga or 2:00. And then we had to pack kasi maaga naman yung flight namin patawid ng Toronto. So yun, wala talaga sa aming may tulog ng araw na yun, but we were all very happy. And we were glad that we did go and chased. We went and chased the aurora. Sana makita namin siya ulit kasi next year diba babalik for TJ's tour again. Sana makita namin siya ng ng mas clear. Parang ganun. Nakanood na po kayo nakanood na kayo HLA? Kami hindi pa. Ako hindi pa. Kasi, syempre gusto namin TJ magkasama kami manonood. Nasa na siya. Nasa Manila na siya. But, I heard sobrang ganda daw. Like, maganda na daw yung Hello, Love, Goodbye, but Hello, Love Again is like something else daw talaga. So we're all very excited. May tour diba kayo sa Chicago? We're going on the 22nd po. Kasama ko po ang Vocal Champs. Please let your friends and your family know kasi yung Grayton ay sold out na. Yan. At saka po pala, if you have not listened to my single Toyo, it's available on all digital music streaming platforms worldwide. Tungkol sa tao, akala niya naka-move on na siya, but you know the drill. Hindi yan totoo. Pasabi naman kay TJ Day 3, guys, tutulungan ko kayo, but we have to make a big impact para maramdaman talaga nila na gusto nyo talagang mag-day 3. So like, tweet about it, post about it, like, make this request known ng todong-todo hanggang sa Mars. Dapat marinig nila na, oh my gosh, gusto ba nila ng day 3? Ganun. What if London naman? Sana. Kasi sa, diba sa Europe, parang medyo rare na magkaroon ng malalaking shows or tours. Oo, I think it's costing or something. But syempre, of course, if there's a really really high demand na na gusto niyang pumunta yung artist dun, then it might actually happen. Ano, base sa trailer, tingin mo ba iiyak? Shocks na daw. Base sa trailer, tingin ko ba iiyak ako? Iiyak kayo sa HLA? I bet. Kasi ganun namang kagaling na ganun kagaling ng mga actors. Si Kath and si Alden. Oo, grabe, 155 million na ang HLA. And that's after, 3 days? Tama ba? 3 days after the release. Tama ba? 3 days or second day pa lang? Yes, manonood ka po pa ng Beanieverse? No, I wish no. But we might watch the live stream lang. Kasi nga nasa Amerika po kami. Sa mga hindi pala nakakaalala, I think it was 2021 ba? Nag-online concert ang Beanie and ang BGYO. Tapos, they asked me if I could be a guest dun sa concert nila. And I agreed and we did Labo. And I think Labo. Labo ba? Parang kinanta nila yung Labo. Kinanta namin yung Labo pala. Patula po kayo sa ASAP, may schedule. We have been trying to make it work sa schedule talaga, pero sa ngayon hindi talaga po siya nagtutugma-tugma. But I think before the end of the year, mag-aasap ako. Mag-aasap talaga ako. Thanks for the gifts, guys. We love your brother Irmo. Thank you. TJ the Laundry Boy. Ay, hindi lang yun. Akala nyo ba? TJ din, naglilinis ng mga makeup brush ko. Nagpa-plancha ng damit. Ganun. Kahit sold out niya na din yung day 2. Post ko yung picture, yung video na yun. Sold out Araneta Coliseum. Again. You sold out You sold out the second day of your Araneta Coliseum concert in less than an hour. But your wife doesn't want it to get to your head. So, she's asking you to clean her makeup brushes. And ba't gising ka pa? Mag-alas 2 na ng hapon dito. I really like your song, Toyo. Thank you. Thank you so much. Asan ka ngayon? Nasa San Francisco. So, TJ ay nasa Manila. Ako ay nasa San Francisco. Yes, please, power stream Toyo. Make TikToks using the audio. Mga ganun. Ano mga ganap nyo? Ano mga bagong chismis? Ah, chismis! Ay, pala, di ba kahapon din ata yung ticket selling ng concert ng Cup of Joe, and I think sold out na din sila. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-happy yung support sa OPM ngayon. Like, yung mga concerts yung palaki na ng palaki, tapos nasa sold out agad, ganyan. Sana we keep that up, and we also give we also give chances to to other artists din na pakinggan din yung mga kanta nila, because you might discover other great artists din na pwede nyo supportahan at pakinggan. But I'm really happy and I'm pleased with like the support ng OPM ngayon, gabi. No? Kailan lang ba ulit nangyari yun? I mean, I think pre-pandemic, hindi palaging nangyayari yung once an artist announces a concert. Local artist I mean, pag international artist, palagi naman. Pero pag yung Filipino artist nag-announce ng concert, talagang like sold out agad. Syempre, except yung mga mga icons na talaga. Syempre, na nila yun parang mall show na. Parang gano'n na lang yung yung mga malalaking arenas. But for artists na kakapasok lang sa industriya, it doesn't happen na ganun agad kalaki yung support na ganun. So, sobrang nakakatuwa. Nakakasaya ng puso na mas na-appreciate natin ngayon yung OPM. Ganda ng Toyo song mo. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Kailan ka po pabalik ng Manila? End of the month pa ako uuwi. Pag-uwi ko mga Christmas party na. Napakatagal ko na wala. Guys, bounce na ako in mga 10 minutes siguro para makapag-start na ako mag-review, mag-aral. Maboboard lang kasi talaga ako kanina, kumakain ako mag-isa na walang kausap, kaya ako nag-live. And wala ko masyado energy na lumabas ngayon, so I'd rather review my songs. Sa mga nanonood na hindi po pala naka-follow sa akin, I'd appreciate it so much if you follow me here on TikTok and all my other social media accounts. Sa Facebook, sa Instagram, kaya nandun ako. What? Dami pala natin kailangang abangan. Nung isang araw nag-uusap kami kung sa 22 kasi yung show namin sa Chicago, yun din yung release in theaters ng ng Wicked. So gusto sana naming manood. But of course may show. So on the 23rd, we'll try before we head to the airport. But para manood naman. Wicked nakaka-excite. Ang dami mangyayari. So, nasawi sa day 1. Wala ding day 2. Ganyan. Mag-request tayo. Mag-post kayo na mag-post. Mag-ingay tayo kung gusto niyo talaga ng day 3. the sky. And someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those who ground me, take a message back from me. Tell them how I'm defying gravity. Mga taga-iPhone, ha? Ano ko mga taga-iPhone? Hinatag lang kong iPhones kung ba na. Guys, if wala talagang pang iPhone, wag na lang po na mag-iPhone. Doon tayo unahin natin yung ating mga basic needs. Hindi pa nga to updated yung mga phone namin eh. Because kami ni TJ, I think we don't see that it's gonna make much of a difference pag nagpalit kami. Tsaka okay pa naman yung phone namin. So, okay pa naman yung phone mo ngayon. Then, yun na lang muna. And spend on the more important things. Data secured. Congrats! Congrats, congrats, congrats. And nobody in all of ours, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring. Sana abutan ko yung showing. Abutan, dapat abutan. Gusto pa naman namin ni TJ mag block screening. Kailan yung selling ng tickets sa Canada tour ni TJ? Hindi pa ba niya pinapost? Siguro baka na yan. Baka January siguro. Don't take my word for it. Ako lang to. I'm just assuming na baka yan. Kasi, syempre, ngayon, mas magfo-focus muna sila sa concert sa Araneta. From flying so low, at least I'm... Try nakakang lips dali guys. My gosh. Tugnan, good kayo ba? At least I'm flying free to those who ground me. Take a message back from me. Tell them how I'm defying gravity. Na 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 na. And nobody in all of us, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me down. Bring me down. Okay guys, I have to go. Thank you so much for joining me. Maraming salamat. I hope to see you all very soon. kung manonood po kayo sa show namin, kung isa ka sa mga nagpa-sold out ng Grayton show namin, maraming salamat. We'll see you the day after tomorrow, I think. And then, see you naman sa mga taga-Chicago na bumili na ng tickets. If hindi pa po kayo nakabila ng tickets, just follow our social media accounts. Check out our social media accounts para alam niyo po kung paano kayo makakuha ng tickets. And we'll see you very soon. We're so excited to meet all of you guys and sing for you guys and with you guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you, and again, congratulations sa mga nakasecure na ng tickets para sa sariling nating mundo. Bye! Sariling mundo natin ba? Sariling mundo natin? Sariling natin mundo. Bye! Oh, how do you turn this?